Good afternoon, everyone. So basically, we have worked for different clients in in this Clecotech International Private Limited, and we have worked around different topics. So I would like to discuss all the dashboards in short and sweet manner,
Okay.
one by one,
Yeah.
whatever we have developed. So starting with the program overview dashboard. So this dashboard mainly cover the cost summary for the different projects. So
Okay.
it mainly covers the current budget, current commitment, and the actuals approved for all the projects. And projects, what all we have to cover, it was given by the client. So basically, as per the requirement, we do develop the dashboards. So as you can see, there are different cards which are asked by our client: current commitment, actuals approved, current budget, and the projects count. And it has been, the client also wanted that this visuals and the cards, they need to slice filtered by the different uh, slicers like project manager, program, source, project name, cost center, and project phases. So as you can see, our first visual, which is cost summary, so it is covering the count, the total current budget, current commitment, actual approved as per the phases: planning, design, construction, punch list, hold, and close out.
Okay.
So it's, and now it comes, now the second comes is project by phases. So it's telling us like how many projects are there in the different phases. Like on hold, there are 10 projects, planning, 21, and like that. So now project by sources. So it's again covering like the different funding sources. We are telling it on the basis of like current budget. So now let's
Okay. Okay.
discuss the other dashboard which we have worked. It covers the project summary dashboard. So in this also, like, we are covering most of the things as per the previous, but there are new things as well. So as you can see, the cards we have used here are the project type, program, project, and customer, project manager, and director. And they only wanted like this whole dashboard to get filtered by just the project name.
Okay.
and and they also wanted to see, like, as per the project, what is the anticipated budget, what is the current approved budget, current commitment, actuals approved, owner's contingency, and projected commitments.
Okay.
And they also wanted to see, like, how, as per their project, how the current budget, projected budget, current comparisons of all this four: current budget, projected budget, current commitment, and the actuals approved. Now, as we see the schedule milestone, in this, they wanted to check in a particular project. Basically, we have different master tasks like planning, design, bid and award, and close out, all this. So they wanted to see the start date of the particular task in that particular project. So we have covered this also. And like on the first, as we see, like, on the project level, we are showing current budget, projected budget, current commitment. But they again wanted the bifurcation on the base of cost categories. So on the base of cost categories, they wanted to again see like current budget, current commitment, actuals approved, this. And as we can see, the task details, it plays a very important role, because when a project is starting, it has multiple master tasks. So the client, they just want to see like how, what was the date it was decided that particular project task will start, but in reality, in real, how much it's lagging and when it started. So this thing, uh, we are trying to show here.
Yeah, it is.
So
It is very helpful
yeah.
for utilizing the project summary dashboard. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So PM workload dashboard. So this dashboard mainly revolves around like the project managers. So as we can see, like, as per the client requirement, we have use slicers like program, project phase, project name, project leader, and manager. And in this, they wanted to see, like, as you can see in this first visual, like project by phase, we have covered like five phases: hold, planning, design, construction, and punch list.
Hmm.
So they basically wanted to see, as per the project managers wise, we have used dummy data here. I mean, we have not revealed the client data.
Hmm.
So basically we are trying to show under which project manager how many projects are there, and that projects they are under which phases.
Hmm.
As you can see in the first uh, bar, we have project manager 8. So in project under project manager 8 we can see this, like one project is which is in hold, and two projects are there which is in the planning phase. So we have tried to cover this way. Now we can go to the visual like budget managed. So here we are basically trying to show the current budget under which project, like project manager wise we are showing the uh, current budget. Yeah.
Yeah.
So uh, before previous slides, like we have shown the task details. Now this client requirement was basically they want to see it uh, according to the comparison wise in the bar. So we have used this custom visual over here for comparing. Here you can get the clear idea of the schedule variance, like in real when it was decided that particular project will start, and in current how much it's starting. As you can see the current and the baseline, so it gives you a clear idea like how when starting and when it was actually decided. And yeah, the main thing of any project, what a client wants to know is how much they are lagging in that particular task, and should they speed up, and like all of these things.
Yeah,
So
so
we have,
overall it is telling the schedule, when
yeah,
it is started, and in which phase it is currently in, right? So,
yeah, exactly.
okay.
And is it on time or it's lagging, basically that
Oh,
was the requirement they wanted to see,
great.
so they can speed up and accordingly work on the things.
Okay,
So
okay.
this dashboard, we are slicing it by project name, director, project manager, customer, building code, and status. And yes, date-wise also they wanted to get this data filtered. So yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So cost summary and cash flow. So this here also we have like the client requirement was like they wanted to see the current budget, spent to date, how much they've spent till now, current commitment, and the pending changes amount. So in the first cost summary, we are trying to show the current budget, commitment, and actuals approved as per the project. And they wanted it to filter the data as per the project name, status, project type, year, and project delivery method, administrator, and campus. And yeah, they also wanted to see like actual paid and cash flow. So as per their data definition, like whatever it was in the past, they name it as the actual paid, and whatever in the current amount is there, they were showing it as cash flow. So yeah, it vary as per the customer as well. So they wanted to see as per the fiscal year wise, and like uh, whatever the fiscal year they define, like we can work on it and we can modify our data accordingly, and we can try to show like if they want a fiscal year from June to July. So yeah, we can have the different slices here of the fiscal year, and accordingly when we slice down we can just see from June to July for the fiscal year. Let's take an example, fiscal year 26. So from June 25 to June 26, yeah, 2026, so we can get the data over here.
Okay.
So yeah, so the next dashboard is the project exception dashboard. So here also like it's a bit different than what all I discussed previously. So here we mainly worked with the process related data. So in process we have different things, like we have process age, we have step age. This all things they wanted to show over here. So we have basically showed here like the total number of active projects as per the requirement, and different slices like program, project phase, project name, supervisor, and project manager. And here they were given like this criteria 1 to 5 process aging criteria, like 1 to 5, 6 to 14, and 14 days. As per that, this project close out process, we have different processes in that. So we are showing accordingly. And the financial aging process also, like we had different criteria, so we can work on the different criterias, like whatever the client needs. So again, this is one of the process, project update aging. So it's kind of trying to show how many projects are there in it, and which, as you can see, like 11 is there, which is not updated in the last 30 days.
Hmm.
This is also the criteria which is given by them. And budget reconciliation aging, it is also one of the process. Missing design commitment, missing construction commitment. So this were all the criterias which were giving. So basically they wanted to see like the count of the project with design less than, which has aging less than 30 days and more than 30 days.
Hmm.
So yeah, this was their requirement.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Yeah, it was great. I understood why Power BI is used and what are the cases we have worked on. So
yeah.
yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah.
Okay.